wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, Dan Mafia gang? You don't know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco back with another one. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, come to take over the Blood YouTube game, dog. You don't see what I deal with from the title. This is a new artist to the channel. Yeah, one of our family been requesting this a lot for a minute now. And I just want to take this time to apologize. It took me long to get around to it, dog. And I also want to give you your shout out, my G. You feel me? Hold on, give me a second, bro. I gotta find your name. I apologize, my guy. I kind of forgot who. We got a lot of requests, so I kind of forgot who exactly requested this. You know what I'm saying? But One King, big up your damn self, One King. I don't know. One King been requesting MG Colombian gun switch for a minute now. And every time I got around to do it, something always happened, man. So I do apologize. So, yo, you already know what time it is. We're going to react to and check him out and swear dog. I deal with. So big up yourself, One King. You don't know. Yo, we're going to react to the video, then we're going to talk at the end. So that mafia, you don't know what time it is, what to do. Code up, code is life, do the right thing. You see me what I say? Do the right thing, man. If you're new to the channel, we live by a code over here. If you're watching a video, you like a video. And if you haven't subscribed, you subscribe. So that's the code. So I'm going to say code up. That's what you need to do. Like and subscribe. So I don't know. Code up, man. Code up that mafia. I don't know what time it is. You see me? Code is life. We're going to jump right now video and then we're going to chop it up. You see me? This MG Colombian gun switch. Let's get it.
Is also causing a different kind of switch, according to law enforcement. A switch in the firepower that criminals have versus cops. When police are outgunned, the public can pay the price.
God, I'm afraid of the switch, bro. You see me? Cheap clock, them afraid of fuck. You see what I say? Come here, man. MJ. Oh, God. Yeah, easy now, man. 5 pint, 7 pint, 6-2. Headshot. I want you. Green to you.
All my guns got switch. New 9 extra tactic. Last boy this done end up in a ditch. Clock with the switch, leave a head top split. Ride with the broom like a witch. When start spit, everybody vanish. Call that magic. Them I only sick.
Man say all my gun them got switch. I want to don't play with the dog. We don't find no little pie around here. You know, when I find a little book bop, we have fire. You know what I'm saying on here, man? You easy yourself, man. Easy. Hey, MG, where you from, bro? You from Colombia or you from Trinidad? I saw in Trinidad, you saw island, you're afraid. You know what I'm saying? Is Colombia an island? Colombia is in South America, though. It's kind of technically it's in the Caribbean, right? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, guys, yo, MG Colombian, where you from? You from Trinidad? You from Guyana, St. Kitts, Barbados? Where exactly you from? Are you from Colombia? Guys, it says MG Colombian, so bro, it should be pretty obvious if you're from Colombia, you know what I'm saying? But the way you sound is why I'm asking, you know what I'm saying? You sound island, bro, you know what I'm saying? But big up yourself, bro. I'm liking the starting of this. Let's get it.
Think shit when one start them I hide like a bitch. Wouldn't know about the MG3 that I steal them life quick. Sink any ship, break off hip. Don't know some I can't miss you got my switch. When you was playing Nintendos, I was playing with the extended clip.
Hey, them they are no props. Them days not props. Me I tell you right now. It's when chip up Mario. Them look brand new, you know what? Choice the little dings and the nicks and the dangs man them there. Yeah man. Them they are real machine, bro. Be yourself. You mean MG?
Just it'll make a flip. Alright. Back to the script, try run out of this. Yeah man, running out of this. Dog, all my guns.
Back to the script, try run out of this. You're mad running at this, my youth. You see me? Yeah, man, your life done with my friend.
That switch, come on. New 9 extra tactic. Last boy this done end up in a ditch. You don't give a fuck who you with. Right, them full up with rage. Somebody will feel pain. Yes, me unseen. Come out of my way from a blow your brain. Send you up on a plane. Never been seen. Squeeze up the trigger till my finger sprain. Try back.
Easy on my youth. Watch it before make your, you see me make your brain fly out of this. Never go on a plane. Yeah, squeeze this to my finger. Spraying pan your out.
This boy your blood clot feel. Coulda never step in my lane. Bust up my gun in my field. Full up your brain like bean. Shells are fall like rain. Fully insane. Gunshot and knock it down like in front of a train. Pull up in the black extrail. Point and squeeze, dog. All my guns got switch. The G2 that I go.
I'm to my youth. Hey, MG, bro, I'm liking your style. You know what I'm saying? Very gritty. How long he's been doing music, gang? Drop it in the comment section. Comment below how long he's been doing music. You know what I'm saying? What you know about where it's from, all that stuff. Put me on, gang.
With benefit, the F and F up your face. Step in my ways like a blind man. Try cause the highway, them I get knocked down day by day. The guns grease and ready. The killies them craving.
That man say gunshot crashing on your face like a blind man trying to cross the highway. You go easy.
Ready for the blazing, this is on a play thing. Catch them lapsing, one press, leave your body collapsing. We do the ramping, just do the stamping. Run out and wave it, must get something. No self-praising, MG family never panicking when we do the damn thing. Mash them head, them me gon' sing again. All them attack dog, we instead of win.
Man say mash them head, then me gon' sing again, sin again. You see me all them.
Nana bling, dog, so we tell them. All my guns got switch, new 9 extra tactic. Last boy this done end up in a ditch. Clock with the switch, leave a head top split. Right with the broom like a witch. When start spit, everybody vanish. Call that magic, them I only sing shit. When one start
Glock with the switch, make your blood clot split, you. You see me, Glock make your head vanish. Them I call it magic.
them I hide like a bitch. With them nobody MG3 that I seal them life quick. Sink any ship, break off hip. No summer can't miss, me got my switch. When you was playing Nintendo's, I was playing with the extended clip. Let me tell you about it.
I can't miss you, cause me got the switch. When you there play a Nintendo, me there play with an extended clip. Easy no you.
It'll make a flip, alright. Back to the script, try run out of this. You mad, running out of this.
And for the record, I play with both of them. I don't this Nintendo, man. You don't this Nintendo. You see me, I don't this. You see me, I play with both of them. I want you balance me, G. Come on. You see me, I think about with Nintendo, they can't have this Nintendo there. You see me, I'm a bad man, see me. You can't have this Nintendo, bro. You see me? I know if a Nintendo make no fun on the first gun, you know, man. You want to better behave on yourself. You remember the blood clot game, when you the bird shooter. Yeah, man. I just found the fire on the first gun. Don't behave on yourself and go like this Nintendo. But big up MG Colombian, bro. You know what I'm saying? I like that song. You know what I'm saying? Your style is very gritty, very edgy. You're a new artist that I see you coming up in the game. Man, I wish you best of luck, bro. Stick to it, bro. I like your style. I mean, your style is different, and you can be big in the game, bro. No cap, bro. You got talent. It's very different. You know what I'm saying? You're going with frying flows and all that stuff, but it's very different. You seem very edgy, very raw, very authentic, and people gonna gravitate to your style. You know what I'm saying? So just keep it up. We're gonna keep an eye on you. We're gonna look out for more from you. You know what I'm saying? And gang, let me know what you think about that one. What you think about MG Colombian and his style. You see me? Also, drop some info in the comment section. Put me on, man. Let me know where MG Colombian from. You know what I'm saying? How long he's been making music. What other music he has out there. What you want me to react to next from him. All that stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, drop it in the comment section. Let's chop it up. Remember to join the Discord, man. Link in the description to the Discord server. Drop it. Go ahead and join. Over there, you can send me videos to react to. You can send request videos from the react to. Content ideas. Live schedule, moderators, upcoming present, bro. Feel me? So just link me on Discord. You see me? You can message me directly and talk to me 24/7. Plus, you can send me videos to react to and anything going on in media that you want me to take a look at. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, guys, join the Discord. You don't know? Yeah, man, very dope track. Colombian, MG Colombian, very different. I like his style. I like the video. You know what I'm saying? I like it. Yeah, full of artillery in this, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, MG Colombian, keep it up, bro. Like your style, like your vision. I see where you're going with this, and you have room to go. And you know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep an eye on you, bro. But you don't know. Till next time, you don't know. It's your boy Jambisco here, and I hitting and smashing up banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.